A baby boom is now looking more like a baby bust. Turns out U.S. birth rates are the lowest they've been in more than a century.
Team 12's Tricia Hendricks joining us live in Tempe with the details on why this could be happening. Tricia, good morning. Tell us about it.
Good morning, guys. Yes, Scott. So apparently women are having babies less. And while that's not a big surprise compared to what we've seen starting in the early 2000s, this is something we're seeing more of. In fact, the lowest rates in the past century. And I went to the experts to get a more definitive explanation as to why specifically this is happening right now. The Brookings Institute recently released a study saying there were about 60,000 fewer births than expected during COVID, which is quite a big drop, but still less than anticipated. It was thought that it would be in the hundreds of thousands. I spoke with the chief medical officer for Nurex, an online medical provider and the largest digital practice for women's health, who tells us it's likely a combination of things contributing to the decline in birth rates.
One would be the economic insecurity of people. Another would be the concern about just COVID itself. The third reason could be that people are just getting together less frequently.
Dr. Nancy Shannon says based on one of the recent surveys, about 70% of women who are not in a committed relationship are apparently getting physical less often than they did before COVID. Some experts say we'll likely see a reverse trend when we're not seeing the severity of COVID, when the worst of the pandemic is over, if you will. But of course, only time will really tell how these trends are going to pan out in the short term and the long term. Coming up at 5 o'clock, we went to women in our community to find out if they're having babies and if they're waiting, maybe they're not wanting babies at all. And if so, why or why not? We'll have that for you in our 5 o'clock hour. For now, we're live in Tempe. Tricia Hendricks, Today in AZ.